Yeah, good morning, everyone. It's Monday, September the 28th. I've got 9:25 in the morning. Turn my camera on because I'm hearing train whistles. They're still down pretty far. They're probably down downtown McKeesport. But I figured I'd film the dove. He's been circling that I put down this morning for a little while. Hasn't gotten up to it yet. Unless he's picking other seed that I put down, because I put seed down almost every day. That there's some dried up cereal that I thought they would eat. He's picking all the other seed that I've put down and what's left.